Hey guys, welcome back to Wings Lectures. This is Vetri. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with variables in Python. What is variable? Variable is nothing but a reserved memory location to store value. Simple. If you want to store an integer value, so you need a variable. If you want to store a float variable, float numbers, you need a variable. So if you want to store a string, you need a variable, right? So in last exercise we have seen that uh, addition of two number. See, if you want to add 2 plus 4 6, so is that possible to store a value 2 and 4 in any variables? So usually variables will be in alphabet mode, right? So I want to store a 2 in A. See, I have stored, you can check, and store 4 in B. Yes, it has stored, right? Let's see whether we can perform all the basic operations by using variable or not. So is that possible? Yes, it's possible. See, you can perform all the arithmetic operations by using variables. So you have got the same result. See, here you have 2 plus 4 is 6 and here a plus b is 6, right? So we can perform all the operation. I already said that the a minus b, it's minus 2, a star b, it's 8, a divided by b, it's 0.5. So this is how we are going to deal variables in Python, right? And one of the important thing is handling strings in variable. So such an interesting area in Python which is handling strings. Let me explain that. I want to store a string in variable m is equal to so you all know that. So we have to use the string in a single quote, otherwise we will face error. So if you want, I'll show you. Hi, see, we have an error. So instead of typing directly hi, so you have to use single quote. You won't get the error. See, it's stored. That's an important thing to deal strings in Python. And handling string is interesting, right? Already I said. Here I will show you some basic operations with strings, right? I'm going to store a I'm going to store my name here. Name equal to, type inside to the double quote, type money. Yes, it's stored, right? Check, it's stored, right? I want to find out length of my string. Use the keyword len to check length of your string, right? By using len inside to the square bracket, you can type your variable name, which is name. So length of my name is 9, and I want to find out, or else I want to usually I used to be called as Vetri. So I want to trim my name. So how can I trim my name? So for that you have to use the index values of your string. Always strings will be stored in a memory location like array. The index always starts from 0 to n. So see here, Vetri money, it has 9 letters. Index always start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we have a length value as n, means the last value of index will be n minus 1, because it starts from 0. That's it. So use square bracket and type 0 to inside to the square bracket, you have to keep the starting index 0, and what will be the last index value? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So keep 4. So you will get, what happened? Sorry, you have to keep one more variable. So one more index, that 0 to 5. So it will trim you that, right? So this is how we are going to deal all these string operations, right? And what are the other operations we have? So here my name is Vetrimani. I want to change my name to Vetrimaran. So is that possible? Yes, it's possible. See here, I have a name. First try to trim the value. Already I have trimmed. 0 to 5 is Vetri, and I want to add like name 0 colon 5 plus inside to the double quote type Maran Vetrimaran. That's it. I want to add surname. Yes, it's possible, right? My surname is E, type plus name inside to the square bracket 0 point, so it's not necessary. Now here E Vetrimani. If you want space in between that, you can get inside to the double quote type your surname, or else you can store surname in another variable is E. Now type surname plus inside to the double quote give space, then type name. So you'll get it, right? So it's all very simple. The procedures are quite similar, like we have handled all these operations in C programmings. So when we compare with other programming language, Python is very simple and the interface is very easy to understand. It won't be complex, right? So that's it. In this session we have seen how to work with variables in Python, right? And we'll see you in another video with another topic. And thank you. If you have not subscribed yet, you can subscribe now. Follow Wings Lectures. Thank you.